Welcome back to another interesting tutorial about PDF edit online. And in this video, I will show you how to delete pages or remove some pages from your PDF file online for free. Let me show you how. The very first thing you want to do is open up your browser, then come to the address bar right here. Go ahead and type in I love PDF and hit enter. The next thing you want to do is go ahead and click on the first result right here. And it's going to take you to the official web page right here. So you have to make sure you look for remove PDF from the home page right here. Or better still, you can come to all PDF tools from the top right here. Just like what you see right here, all PDF tools. Next thing you want to do is to navigate to. So from all PDF to come down below right here and make sure you so from all PDF to navigate to down below right here until you get to remove pages right here. Go ahead and click on that and it's going to take you right here. Remove PDF pages. Go ahead and click on select PDF file right here. This will allow you to upload your PDF file. Like for instance, I'm going to use this particular PDF file and I'm going to go ahead and click on open. Then just like so, it's going to define the number of pages you have in the PDF, just like what you see right here. So next thing you want to do is to select the PDF page that you want to remove. Let's say for instance, I want to remove this blank page, select on it and then go ahead and click on remove pages. And then successful. Next thing you want to do here is to go ahead and then go ahead and click on download. Then it's save right here. Then you are done. So you can go on and remove as many as possible pages. So you can go ahead and click on select PDF file again. Let's say for instance you want to remove multiple pages. Go ahead and select the PDF, open the file, then allow it to load up. Like for instance, we want to remove this, then we want to remove this, then we want to remove this, we want to remove this, and this. And you can see the number of pages that we want to remove right here. We want to remove this, we want to remove this, we want to remove this. So select as many as possible pages you want to remove. This is for multiple removal of pages of PDF right here in a single click. We want to remove page 60 and we want to remove this. Then we want to remove all these pages right here. What we want to do is go ahead and click on remove pages right here. And removing pages, go ahead and click on download PDF and go ahead and hit on save right here and the PDF will be successfully downloaded into your PC. It's that simple. For more useful tutorial about PDF editing online, consider to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and I hope to see you in my next video.